Hi, Jeffrey Langlois, Langlois Vital Nutrition Center here in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Our mission is to help you improve your health naturally by helping you to get smarter all the time. So one of the real common misconceptions out there, and I know we've maybe talked about this before, is that raw salads are very nutritious, okay? So they would be if you were a cow and had 4 stomachs and could digest all that raw fiber. So you realize cows have 4 stomachs to be able to eat grass because they ferment it and they move it back and forth between these stomachs. And cows' body temperature is also a lot hotter inside than yours. It's over 100 degrees inside to ferment and rot those vegetables, that grass that the cows are eating, because raw vegetables are very hard to digest. So here's a nice little summary from Dr. Wilson, okay, Lawrence Wilson, the problems with salad, okay? Our bodies cannot break down tough vegetable fibers, okay? So what holds a vegetable upright, broccoli, carrots, whatever stiff, is cellulose, that is wood pulp. Our bodies do not digest wood pulp. So salads might be good for cleaning your colon, that's fine, but to actually extract the minerals, remember, minerals are the key to your health, okay? So the number one most important thing in your body besides oxygen and water is going to be minerals, okay? So we keep score with the world's best test for keeping score over the long run, which is a hair test. This is a 3-month look back, so we have an exact timeline. Anyway, so minerals, you are not going to digest and extract the minerals from raw vegetables, okay? Unless you just chew and chew and chew and chew and chew until it's just completely soup and you've broken down every piece of fiber. But those minerals are locked inside the fiber. Raw vegetables are very yin. So yin is weakening or cooling. It's cold. So maybe if you lived in a really hot environment, it'd be really good to eat cold food. But in Wisconsin, you don't want to keep eating cold food. It might be okay in the summer. If you take the concept of sort of eating with the seasons, you would eat what's available in your area in that season. So you might have some raw vegetables available now as your garden ripens, but otherwise the rest of the year you wouldn't be eating raw vegetables, okay? Number 3, particularly in restaurants, salad can be quite unclean, contaminated with bacteria. Okay, and it says here, contamination of salad dressings in restaurants is also a problem. Salad dressings in restaurants are a disaster. Soybean oil, corn oil, terrible, very inflammatory oils. If you're going to eat a salad in a restaurant, maybe if it's included with my dinner, but I always get olive oil and vinegar on the side, olive oil and lemon juice. Do not eat salad dressing. So realize salads aren't like bad for you. It's not like you went out and ate donuts and French fries, okay? But as far as nutrition and absorbing minerals into your body, salads are not the way to go, which is why we promote my vegetable broth soups and cooking your vegetables, breaking down the fibers, which is really number 4, is cooking vegetables. Destroys a little vitamin C, however, it does no harm to the minerals. Number 4, no harm. Okay, so you could cook a carrot for a week and the minerals are still in there. So all of the minerals, cook all your vegetables. Think of Indian cooking. Think of cultures that have been around with a cooking tradition for a long time. They really cook the vegetables well. Why? To break down the fiber so you can absorb the nutrients. You cannot kill a mineral ever. Okay, if you were cremated, the ash that's left is minerals. Okay, the ash in your fireplace is minerals. So cooking vegetables will not wreck the minerals, actually help you to absorb them. Anyway, so that's it. So salad's not like I never eat a salad. I generally don't eat salads at my house. Maybe in the springtime, you've got some fresh greens that would come up, or dandelion greens, bitter things to help clean the liver after a winter. But try to eat in season, and don't think that eating lots of salads is going to be really awesome for you. Again, it's not junk food, but it's nowhere near as good as cooked vegetables. All right. So remember to keep score. This is your best way to keep score, tissue mineral analysis. And have a great day. Thanks.